What's up YouTube, Backpain4 here, and today I'm going to give you a quick update on what's going on with Ussranch, since I haven't posted in a few weeks. So, since you last saw it, I got tied up some of the wiring, just electrical taped all of it up, put in the throttle stop here, and I did some adjustment. Me and Dreads did some adjustments to the floats, but we still need to fix some issues there. Changed out the spark plug wires to the Taylor wires, and the process kind of busted that a little bit, but it works. I ain't messing with it. But the real reason we're going to the shop today, yes, I'm taking it into the shop because there's a thing that's out of my realm of expertise to fix. Now it is this right down here. So every time you drive this car, it'll mark its territory. You see the oil? What's happening, if you zoom up over here, the front main leaks. Now, it could be a number of reasons. It could be the fact that the motor sat for a year and a half before it ran. It could have been me, turning this motor over with no oil in it when I'm just testing the starter. I don't know, but I have to fix that. And wow. And while I'm gonna have it in the shop, I might as well have another thing done. Well, before I get to that, what I had done on the inside, fire extinguisher is installed. Mandatory thing with any classic car, I think. Got my new master ignition switch put in. That fan's going out, so that way, take the key with me. That way, it's harder for the car to be stolen, not stolen proof. But next thing I'm having installed, along with getting the front main repaired, is an aluminum solid casting transmission pan. I found that it's not Moroso, but solid aluminum. Has a temperature probe put in there so I can finally use this gauge properly. Got a brand new Moroso gasket, pretty thick. New bolts, new drain plug, all that, because the pan I have right now is one of those stamped steel ones, and it's well, the gasket, I'll show you. Damn door. Yo! Get a seat under there. The header's in the way. You can't see it seeps a little bit. The gasket seeps. And I've had issues with that drain plug seeping too, so I'm just gonna replace it out so I can put a temperature sender in there and be done with it. So now I'm just about to get ready, head out to the shop, drop it off, and we'll figure it out from there.